Next up, I want to talk about something that has been on my chest for a couple of days, and I have to get it off my chest. And I know some people is going to be offended because they like the people that I'm going to say something about, but right now, I care zero. And who I'm talking about is Beenie Man and Bounty Killa. I see both of them go on stage and talking about JLP and PNP, and people must vote for PNP. And then Beenie Man is gonna say them get heart attack and all these things. I said the two of you is two ungrateful son of a. Okay. You understand me? Because I look at it and say, for how many years the PNP was in power, and the two of couldn't even get on a visa, because they never let help on to get back on a US visa. And me know say Babsy Grange is one of the person who pushed and fought for the two of them. You understand me? For get back on a visa. And that is a slap in the face. Because uno want PNP in and JLP out, that means uno want kick Babsy out. Uno two ungrateful sucker, you know what. Because I just me can't believe it. And furthermore, I'll bounty people fed up. Poor people anthem. You don't like poor people. You don't like poor people because you see the trajectory the country is going in. It is on an upward trajectory. And things is going good. And a lot of poor people who work is getting better wages and everything. And all of that is going to be diminished if the PNP is in power. But the tone is so tribal. You can't see nothing good or nothing clearly in front of you because you have on the orange blinders, you ungrateful piece of crap. And I now take it back. Ms Babsy even go out her way for the two get awarded last year independence. PNP didn't power for 22 and a half years and a member uno. And that is the thanks what we end up is giving. Eh? Come on now. But then again, we get to understand. So when it comes on to take care of them. So then tell me allegedly. So tell me now, why you want to look out for other people pitney? We should have really know better and not even pay on no mind. You understand me? Me say there's nothing when I burn me so. You know? Especially being about them get heart attack. Come on. You have a nerve and a half. You have a nerve and a half. But me I tell you something, man. Them say ungratefulness worse than obia. But me, Babsy is not like me. Because if I was Ms Babsy, when them get up in a attack claps again, and trust me, they will, me, I wouldn't look upon them. I wouldn't look upon them. Because now you want to get rid of her. Because what? She helped you out and you don't need her no more. But, boy, me I tell you, boy, tribalism is one thing. Because there's no way I can see success going on the country, even for the little man, even for the youngsters. The poor peoples of the ghetto, things are going for them. And I am going to say, get rid of them because what? I believe in the PNP. I believe in the orange. The orange that for 22 and a half years didn't do nothing for the people of Jamaica. Eh? Furthermore, Mr. Mark Golden, Finsack, they robbed from poor people and became rich, and people committed suicide. Yes, Beenie and Bounty on our own Jamaican committed suicide because of what they did to them. And then you are going to encourage people to vote for them? You full of crap. Anyway, people, like, subscribe, comment, and share. I am so embarrassed with these two little you know what.